Guys, what's up? So today we're showing you top best search tweaks 5, 7, 12, 13, and 14. The first tweak is called UU, and the best tweak for the YouTube app. This tweak is called PoJav Launcher iOS Dev. Minecraft Java Edition comes to iOS. This tweak is called Curious, and beautify the lock screen player. So beautify your iPhone from notifications to the music player to the status bar and more. Customize every part of your iPhone. This is called YTHD Unlocker and launch HD videos in the YouTube app. This is called YTUHD, launch 1440p and 2160p resolutions, VP9 compatible on iOS YouTube app. This is called Circuit for YouTube, requires YouTube app from the App Store. It gives you basically a bunch of cool features for YouTube. This is my favorite YouTube tweak and gets updated weekly. So it has support for download public playlist beta. That's pretty cool. Fits automatic download quality option, fits settings buttons not working, and other minor bug fixes and improvements. So use these features right here with the YouTube app. This is called Alt List and Modern App List Alternative. So develop a library intended to be a more lightweight modern alternative to App List. It supports iOS 7 and up. Latest update fits yet another issue where some hidden applications could have been incorrectly detected as non-hidden. This is called Online Notify and basically tells you, I guess, when your friends are online, and notifies you when you're online or offline from inside WhatsApp. Also notify you if any contacts start typing or recording in your chat. So you have these features right here for WhatsApp. This is called What to Do 3 for WhatsApp, and it makes WhatsApp easier and simpler to use, allowing you to change every part of the app to satisfy your needs. And just like What to Do 3, you get What to Do 2 for WhatsApp. So pretty much makes WhatsApp easier and simpler to use by adding all these features. I'm not sure the difference. Some of them might have different features. This is called What to Do Tools and Library for What to Do and WhatsApp tweets. This is called Stalky. Everyone check your friend's recent status and profile picture. Updates on WhatsApp. Here's a tweet that will add your contacts. Updates in one-to-one page where you can view your images and read statuses updates. This is called OpenJDK-8-JRE. OpenJDK 8 runtime environment. This is called Ets Touch. This is called Lock Plus Pro. I guess Ets Touch might be all touch alternative, but Lock Plus Pro. Its best lock screen tweak on Jailbreak and iPhone, has launched community over 10,000 downloadable free themes. Supports iOS 9 to 14. This is called Test Search Pro and tweak which can search tests easily using a via flip switch or CC support in action menu. This is called No Pass after respring and too much passcode after respring if the device is already unlocked or have no password. This is called No Pass Highlight. Disable lock screen passcode buttons highlight for add security when typing a 4-digit passcode. This is called Simple Passcode Buttons. Tweak that hides the letters and or numbers on the passcode buttons. This is called iOS 13 Keyboard Sound. iOS 13 Keyboard Sound on iOS 9 to 12. This is called Moonlight for iOS. NVIDIA gaming streaming for iOS built. This is called Moonlight System Apps. And effort to keep up stock iOS feeling while giving it a own spin its current form. This is called Simple Home. Tweak to remove Today View and App Library View for iOS 14. This is called Eris. This is called Eris or Eris. And Siri the way it should be. And last is called Air Pop-Up Connect. One more to get this. And as a button, connect button to the AirPods. And last week's called Air Pop-Up Dark, dynamic dark or light mode for the AirPod pop-up. So you guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.